Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Isita the Enemy. Yo, guysini, umtholile-ke umamakhe uRebecca uSolomzi. Solomzi found uRebecca and now he wants vengeance, like akafuni uchumana la ahambe khona. Now our worry is, or my worry is, ukuthi should Solomzi do anything to uchuma, then it will mean ukuthi uRebecca nabantu baka Kumete baga Sokhulu, they will never get back together. But now uSolomzi is now a replica of his mother. Right, uphila lempilo lo ebephila umamakhe. Remember umamakhe ukuthi uchuma amthathe and then amnike idakamizwa. It's because Rebecca had given the same thing to Uvelaphi. And as soon as they knew ukuthi huye mastermind behind those energy drinks that had substances, Uchuma took it upon himself rather ukuthi naye amfilise le pain. Hayi uyifilile pain, uyifilile ini pain. Buza uyazi ngwaya manje kulunywa yena uthi nje ngiqala ungishayise nje noma ngishaya kancane. Yo guys, addiction is painful. I hope you are able to go to your nearest social development or Sanka or any other facility that will help you leave substances, because it's not easy. Withdrawals are tough. Siyawabona kubani kumama Rebecca. But with that said, will umam Rebecca bounce back? And what will happen to baby mama kaSolomzi, who is forced to live with Rebecca, knowing ukuthi Rebecca is a thorn in her flesh, knowing the things that Rebecca made her to do. And then lo ugelo uMadlamini, ibandla lakhe ulibambe ngomuthi. Yes, ibandla lakhe ulibambe ngekhemikhali, and njengoba libambe ngekhemikhali liyaqhubeka liyaflourisha. Ngithi abawi ithibang. Iquation ukuthi njengoba balibambe ngomuthi, lo muthi lo uzoyenza ukuthi izinto zenzeke forever, or the sacrifice will require something even big every time.